there's the sun. What the fuck is that?
What the fuck? That's so creepy.
The fuck is that? Sun.
And we have the moon and Venus.
We had a pretty quick but massive swarm last night at Little West Thumb, which is the western portion of Lake Yellowstone. Remember up here we were seeing those tremors not too long ago? This happened within about an hour period. Now, I'm not very happy with the USGS and University of Utah. You know, sometimes they do a good job, but most of the time they don't. And most of the earthquakes, they do not report, which I think is ridiculous.
Is that an optical illusion? A mirage, perhaps, when light was bent by ice particles or soot in the atmosphere? Or is something very strange happening in space? We did a quick poll of half a dozen astronomers, and while they had different ideas, they seemed to agree that we're seeing something pretty down to earth. One said the video was probably shot through a window, we're just seeing a reflection. A few said evening light is routinely bent by the atmosphere, sometimes enough that you see a second image of the sun. And several said it could just be a practical joke.
April 30th, 2016. Looking at CERN from today, notice it says recovery, no beam, P8 transformer, repair ongoing. They're saying on mainstream outlets that a weasel got into the system, one of the most secure complexes on the planet, chewed through some wiring, and shorted out a very high voltage transformer center there. These are amazing pictures. I've never seen anything. It looks like a background star field with objects in it. But this is when they dumped the beam, is what they're saying, in beam 1. Now, they're still not showing us the live images, but they've been down. Hours on the 22nd, because the next frame is amazing, and I've looked at it very close from different close-ups. This is a very solid object that came, I'm not sure if it came from behind the sun or on this side of the sun. We go into the next few frames. Check this out. Bam. Did something hit our sun to cause that explosion?